What's poppin', Kings? Hope all is well. Today we're going to be talking about why I'm talking to you, should never chase a woman ever again. Never. Not this year, not 2024, and not years to come. And we're going to dive in why. But first and foremost, make sure you pound that like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps a lot. So let's get into it. First off, you shouldn't chase a woman. Because why would you be chasing something? If you're chasing something, more times than none, that means that thing is that you're chasing is running away from you. Think about that. Think about the cat, right? Like a physical cat, right? If you chase a cat, more times than none, it's going to run away. But if you chill out, if you have what that cat wants, it's going to come to you. And honestly, the thing about dating, the way that it flows the best is when both people are equally pursuing each other, because there's a genuine interest between the two. You know what I mean? A lot of times, guys will chase women, and then, they'll be spending money on them. Like, for instance, I've been seeing this stuff going online, like a woman in particular, not all women, but just a particular woman on TikTok. She was like, "Why are you taking me to Cheesecake Factory on the first date?" I'm like, sis, you lucky that he taking you anywhere. Because honestly, you don't, who are you to say that you deserve that? You understand? I'm the kind of person that's like, you got to show me your worth and show me your value. You can't just hand in your resume and it says all these things upon it, but then when it's time to do the job, you can't even do the things that you said you can do. So it's like we have to look at what people are doing rather than what they're saying. And everybody has a form of value. Everybody is valuable to somebody, but they may not just be valuable to you in terms of dating, even in terms of business. You understand what I'm saying? You can't please everybody. Think about that. But yeah, you should never be chasing a woman. You should never be trying to convince a woman that you're of value yourself. Show up as yourself. Put yourself out there. Be straight up. No need to play games. Play however it is that you know how to get women. Do that. No need to overthink it, because they can tell when you're overthinking it, when it's just not natural. When you're naturally being yourself, and they say don't be yourself, but why would you be somebody else? Because if you're portraying to be somebody else, pretty soon she's going to find out who you really are. She's not going to like you. You feel what I'm saying? Never chase a woman. But like I said, think about that. Why would you be convincing? Why would you need to convince a woman? Why would you need to convince anyone, of that matter, that you're of value? Same thing for a woman. Like, if a guy can't see it, like, cool. I'm pretty sure another guy can. We have to start moving, Kings, with that abundance mindset. There's more than one. Like, a lot of times people get set on just one person, like, oh, I like her, I love her. I'm like, bro, you didn't even get the chance to know her. You know what I'm saying? Next time on the first date, instead of doing the dinner date, take her, like, I like to do this, and it works. It works. Take it to like an arcade. It may seem childish or something like that, but it's not. Just something competitive, maybe bowling, something. Because I want to see how you are when you're getting your ass whooped. When you're getting beat in bowling or whatever it may be, I want to see what's your mentality. Do you have a short fuse? Do you have a short temper? Do you get mad when you're losing? And then do you turn into a different person? I want to see that. Because, it's like a job interview. Of course, when you're having a job interview, you're not gonna just tell the truth all the time. You gotta fluff it up, make it sound good. Everybody's done it a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? But it's like, of course, when you're having a dinner date, they're gonna tell you everything they want you to hear. More times than none, most women aren't gonna just be 100% brutally honest with you. And a lot of guys, they're not even brutally honest with the woman, but at the end of the day, both parties, they can respect that if you are honest with them. off the jump. No, don't play no games, because look, if you're not, like, if I'm at a date right now, I'm talking to this woman and I'm being honest with her, and she can't take that honesty. I'm not saying I'm being rude, because there's a difference between being rude, disrespectful, and just being honest. There's a difference. So if I'm just being honest without doing any of those things, and if she can't accept that because she's used to being lied to, then that's not something that I would want to put myself around. You understand what I'm saying? Another reason why you should never taste a woman is because that other guy that she's interested in, she never made him taste her. So you got to think about stuff like that. A lot of times, you know, you may be pursuing a woman and she has another guy, she has somebody else that's hitting her up, but she never made him take her out on a dinner date. If the whole plan was to clap and have sex or whatever it may be, that's some people's intentions. I get that. So we have to talk about both sides of the coin. But if those are your pure intentions, and you think you have to go spend $300 just to get the box, that's kind of like prostitution to me, man. You're really paying for it, but all the time it's like it's not a guarantee. The only thing that's guaranteed in that instance is the bill. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that's guaranteed in that instance is your bill, however much you're spending on it. Now, if you're comfortable with spending something on a woman, and I'm not saying that you have to get sex in return, but if it's not even a interesting conversation, her personality, she's lacking personality, you know what I'm saying? She's putting all that emotional baggage on you on the first date. She's all just comparing you to X, Y, and Z, these different dudes that she's been with and bringing it up. Was that $300 worth it? It sounds like you were a therapist, my G. You just paid her consultation fee. I'm a firm believer. It's like I said in the beginning with the cat, or if he's like a bird. If you see a bird, you run into that bird, it's going to fly away. But if you have what that bird wants, it's going to come to you. And honestly, like I said in one of my other videos, you know, the longer you go on semen retention, you're going to attract more women just easily. And if you're focusing on body game, you're being in the gym, you don't have to be a bodybuilder, but you know, you have to show some signs of working on yourself. They are going to come to you. And then you're going to be able to make that decision to be like, okay, I want to talk to you X, Y, and Z. Just like that. Just like that. It's really simple. You know, if you deem yourself as a handsome man, you're taking care of yourself, your hygiene, you know what I'm saying? You're getting a haircut, you're wearing clothes that fit you, you even focusing on like some cologne, getting some nice cologne for yourself, just setting yourself apart from the average guy. So it's like, you honestly don't have to try that hard. Because it's not as hard as people are making it, my G. It's not as hard. The reason I'm talking about this video, because I've had some people in the comments, you know, I have a special request for this video. So yeah, we're going to do what the people want. You feel what I'm saying? We got to give them what the people want. Because everybody goes through it in the form of some fashion, some form. But never taste a woman. Never really convince a woman that you're the best one. Show it. Show and prove. And if she don't think you're the best one, she gonna go around and mess with somebody else, and she's gonna come around and spin the block knowing that, dang, I should have messed with him. Dang, I should have hit him up when I had the chance. But then that's up to you if you want to give her that chance again after she comes around and after she has had her fun, and if she wants to come around and mess with you. That's up to you, man. Me, on the other hand, nah, I'm not letting that happen. Because you had that chance. And don't let her see you with another woman. Oh, that's gonna make her want you even more. But that's another topic for another day. If you gain something from this video, make sure you pound the like button, subscribe. It really helps. I appreciate y'all for helping the community grow to 13,000 subscribers. We're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep shining. We're gonna keep growing. We're gonna keep doing our thing and improving ourselves as a man. Because look, it's a never-ending journey. Make sure you share this with your mama, your auntie, your cousin, your brother, your sister. If you got your iPhone, randomly share it to somebody. If you got Android, I don't know how you do the airdrop or whatever, but send it to somebody. It don't really matter what phone you got. I appreciate y'all. Enjoy the rest of your morning if you're watching this in the morning. Enjoy the rest of your evening if you're watching this in the evening. Let's get this money, boys. Peace.